Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Windows Security and granting admin permission when requested. This gives you access to core protection settings. Once done, click Virus and Threat Protection to see real-time protection and quarantine details. Make sure to note any active scans or pending updates, because disabling protection while a scan runs can leave files exposed. You're initiating changes now. Proceed deliberately and keep track of what you change so you can restore protection. Now, go to Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings and turn off the Real-Time Protection toggle. Confirm the UAC prompt when it appears. You're doing this to stop automatic scans and blocking, which some apps require for installation or testing. Understand that Windows can re-enable this after a reboot or update, so if your goal is a one-time task, continue immediately. If you need it off longer, follow the next steps carefully to adjust related protections. Finish by disabling cloud-delivered protection and only if necessary, tamper protection so settings can change. Both live in the same settings area. If you require the protection to stay off and you understand the risks, use local group policy or the registry to persist changes. Those methods need admin rights and precision. Once completed, test the app or process that required this change. If Windows re-enables Defender, reboot, reopen settings, and verify the toggles and local policy entries to troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.